Hello everybody, my name is Gary Yao, and today I would like to share with you the different cycles in real estate. Real estate as an investment and economic sector exhibit critical and cyclical patterns that profoundly impact property values, demand, and the overall market. These cycles are crucial for investors, developers, and policymakers to comprehend as they shape real estate markets and influence decision making. Today, we will explore the concept of real estate cycles, delve into the 4 key phases, and discuss their significances in the industry. Now, let's start with the real estate cycles. Real estate cycles are defined into the recurring stages of growth and decline within the real estate market. The cycles are not isolated, but are interconnected with a broader economic condition and trends. Understanding these phases will fundamentally for anyone involved in real estate market to make informed decisions. Now, the 4 phases of real estate cycles are: number 1, recovery. The recovery phase marks the beginning of an upturn after a period of economic downturn or recession. During this phase, property values are typically at their lowest and demand starts to recover. Investors cautiously enter the market, leading to a gradual increase in real estate activities. This phase is characterized by optimism and the belief that the worst is behind. Second phase, expansion. In the expansion phase, real estate market experiences substantial growth. Demand for properties increases, driving up property values and rents. Developers respond to this demand by initiating new construction projects. Optimism is high, and investors eagerly participate in the market, contributing to the upward momentum. The third phase, hyper supply. As the expansion phase reaches to its peak, it can transition into the hyper supply phase. During this phase, there's an oversupply of properties due to the extensive construction activity. Property values may stabilize and even decline slightly as supply surpasses demand. Vacancy rise and it creates challenges for property owners and investors. The fourth phase is recession. The recession phase is a period of decline in the real estate market. Property values drop, demand decreases significantly, and vacancies rise. This phase often aligns with a broader economic recession, and many investors will face difficulties and distressed properties become prevalent. Now let's talk about the significance of the real estate cycles. Understanding the real estate cycles is essential for various reasons. Number 1 is that it helps you make investment decisions. Investors use knowledge of these cycles to determine when to buy or sell properties. Entering the market during the recovery phase can lead to significant appreciation, while selling during the expansion can yield profits. Second, development planning. Developers consider the current phase of the cycle when planning new projects. Building during the expansion phase is advantageous as there's strong demand. Third, risk management. Recognizing the potential for hypersupply and recession phase helps investors and developers prepare for downturns and mitigate risk. Economic indicators in real estate cycles help as economic indicators. The real estate market health is closely tied to the overall economy, making it valuable to gauge the policymakers. Fourth, policy decisions. Policymakers use the insights from real estate cycles to implement measures to stabilize the market and promote affordable housing. Real estate cycles are integral to the dynamics of the real estate market. They consist of 4 phases: recovery, expansion, hypersupply, and recession. Each phase has a distinct characteristic and implications for investors, developers, and policymakers. Understanding these cycles is paramount for making informed decisions and navigating the complexity of the real estate industry. Whether you're an investor seeking to build more opportunities, a developer planning projects, or a policymaker shaping the housing policies, a grasp of real estate cycles is a valuable asset in the ever-evolving world of real estate. My name is Gary Yao, and I will talk to you soon.